everyone, my name is Costa Vitar, and welcome to our second video of the Aris Prism Challenges and Solutions video series, where we will stay focused today on the theme of reporting challenges that project controllers face every month and during the life cycle of a project. So in the earlier session, we discussed how to optimize the report generation, where we clubbed multiple reports together, 50 or 100 reports all in one click, and then produce a monthly report. Today, we'll address another reporting challenge, and it's how can we optimize the report sharing across the user community. So let me share my screen and let's get started. So like I said in the earlier video, we discussed optimization of report generation, but how can we share the reports that we've invested a lot of time on? 40 or 50 reports, you've configured them in a way that you're comfortable with. So you've created your filters, you've created your groupings, you're summarizing how you want the formatting, the cosmetics of the report, right? There's a lot of controls you can do in the Prism configuration. Do you have to reinvent the wheel in every single project? So imagine you have 50 projects and you've done this for one, or you've invested time in one project, optimizing and configuring the reports the way you want. Do we have to recreate them all? No, of course not. So let's explore how can we do this. So I'm in a project here, CP01. It's a cooling tower project. It was, let's say, my pilot project where the team has invested time in configuring the reports the way they want. Like this one is a cost and comparison report. They want to view it by A3, only showing, let's say, electrical scope. So here I can see if I have it as a filter. Okay, there it is. So I have the discipline is electrical. I have another report here grouped by phase. I have another report here summarized by discipline, grouped by area. Okay, so it's configured in a certain way. I can go to other reports. I can see I have a lot of pre-configured reports, an executive summary, time phase data histogram and S-curves, comparing planned, earned, actuals, and so on. So I want to take these reports and put them in another, or copy them to another project without having to recreate or reconfigure these reports one by one. So first, let's export. The process is simple. I just go to project. Since I'm exporting the project reports, special import export and export the specifications. Now I want to export the specification. So I select the option. And here you're going to get all the existing reports that you've configured from all modules. So the change module, the contracts, cost, fields, invoices, and if I've had reports in other modules as well. So procurement, prime contracts, okay, and so on. Now I just need to define the directory. Let's call these reports to share. Okay, save, and you just hit OK. That's it. Done. We've exported now a volume of reports, everything. And now I'm going to go to my other project where we plan to share. This one is an infrastructure project. So I'm going to just show you that it doesn't have any cost and comparison reports, for example, right? No specifications exist. It's empty. There is no executive summary as an example. There is no time phase at histogram on S-curve. It's not configured. So let's import project, special import export, again, the same process, and import the specification. Now I want to import. So you have the option to just import what's new, meaning what doesn't exist in this project, but existed in the other. Or you can import everything from there, start a clean slate. You override what existing and you import the new specs. That's what I'm going to do here. I'll select the file and there you go. You can see all the 39 reports that were exported from the earlier project. Now, the nice thing is that you can actually filter out what you don't want to import. So let's say on this project, I'm not interested in field. So just deselect it. That's it. and hit OK. And that was it. That was it. So now if I go to the reports and I hit the cost and comparison, let's just give it a refresh here. Okay, there we go. So that's the first report, the electrical scope, if you remember. I have the other one by phase and the other one summarized by discipline and area. So it's already configured. I don't have to redo this. Executive summary is there already with it's all its configurations. Time phase data histogram, same. It's all there, showing data in thousands in this case, planned, earned, actuals. It's all there. That was it. So we can do this process across every project team can do the same. And we just saved loads of time. So the solution really was the ability to clone massive sets of pre-configured reports from all modules in Prism and share them with the user community. And the user community that therefore has the ability to import these reports without having to recreate them. And they can just select what's of interest. You don't have to select every single report. You can just select what's of interest and deselect. So that was it, really. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. The website is on the screen, arisprism.com. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.